Zoho Analytics is a powerful tool for social media management and analytics. But before you decide to purchase it, here are 12 things you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right fit for your business, or if you should consider other options. First, Zoho Analytics is a comprehensive analytics platform with deep integration across various apps, making it great for those who already use Zoho products. Compared to others like Google Analytics or Tableau, Zoho is more affordable, but still offers solid reporting features. The second thing to know is that Zoho Analytics allows easy data integration. Whether you use Facebook, Twitter, Google Analytics, or any other platform, Zoho can pull in data from all these sources seamlessly. This saves you time and effort compared to manually tracking each platform separately. The third thing is its customization options. Zoho Analytics stands out with its ability to create custom dashboards that allow you to view your metrics in a way that fits your unique business needs. While other tools may offer pre-built reports, Zoho allows deeper customization to meet specific goals. Next, let's talk about its user interface. For a tool with so many features, the learning curve is surprisingly low. Unlike some competitors that can feel overwhelming, Zoho's interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering powerful tools for advanced users. The fifth thing to consider is Zoho Analytics real-time data capabilities. Unlike platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer, which are more focused on scheduling and posting, Zoho excels at delivering real-time insights into your social media performance, so you can adjust your strategy instantly. Moving on to collaboration, Zoho Analytics allows multiple users to collaborate on reports and dashboards, which is ideal for teams. Unlike some tools that limit the number of users or charge extra for team access, Zoho offers a more flexible approach with a solid multi-user setup. The seventh thing is its data visualization options. Zoho Analytics offers a variety of visualizations, including charts, pivot tables, and geomaps. If you've worked with other analytics platforms like Power BI, you'll feel at home, but Zoho offers these features at a fraction of the cost. The eighth point is about its pricing. Zoho Analytics offers a free version with limited features and affordable paid plans. It's a strong competitor to more expensive options like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI, making it a good choice for small businesses and startups. Next, let's discuss its mobile app. For on-the-go social media managers, Zoho Analytics offers a robust mobile app that lets you track your data and get notifications in real time, which many other platforms like Google Analytics or Tableau lack in terms of app functionality. The 10th point to keep in mind is its AI-driven insights. Zoho uses artificial intelligence to provide predictive analytics and trends, helping you make data-driven decisions. While some competitors offer AI tools, Zoho stands out by integrating it seamlessly into its reporting interface. The 11th thing to consider is its integration with other Zoho products. If you're already using other Zoho tools, like Zoho CRM or Zoho Social, the integration makes this platform even more powerful. If you're not using Zoho products, though, you might find the integration a bit less seamless than some all-in-one tools like HubSpot. Lastly, while Zoho Analytics is great for social media analysis, it's not as strong for content creation or scheduling. If that's what you're looking for, you might want to look at platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite, which offer a more complete social media management package. In conclusion, Zoho Analytics is a great option if you're looking for an affordable and customizable analytics solution, especially if you're already using other Zoho products. But if you're seeking an all-in-one solution for social media management and analytics, we recommend checking out our recommended solution that you can try for free.